Okay, it says record, so we're going to finish our art lesson. Now, let me see how close I need to get to show what we've done so far. Now, remember, you can pause the video at any time and get caught up. So far, we just have what we've learned about proportions. Now, our famous artist of today, Leonardo da Vinci, from the 1500s was the Renaissance period. And Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Donatello, the Ninja Turtles were named after, are known for realism, where the picture looks so real, you can't tell if it's a photo. It's actually called photorealism. And that's our inspiration and our famous artist of the day. Now, in case you didn't notice, on the Mona Lisa, we're going to use the side of our pencil now and add shading around the cheeks. We're going to go in small circular motions, add some shading and shadows, and around the side of the neck. And this is where you can make your hair a little darker. We're going to add some darker and lighter features. Now, you want to go in small circular motions to add some shading in the cheek. It looks kind of rough. Okay? What we're going to do to make it look a little more smooth and blended is we're going to use our finger. See? Finger gets dark. And the finger blends the pencil very nicely and adds a shadow. So don't do it like scribbles. Now you go in a small circular motion with your finger and add some shading. You see how it got nice and light and fuzzy? Now you can see how the cheeks are a little darker, and that's a nice way to add some shading and shadows. Some features, you could add some up at the forehead, maybe above the eyes. Go around where your cheeks would be a little more rosy. And use your finger, which does wash off, just don't wipe it on your hands. And even if you're in the beginner little cartoon kid version, okay, you can do this. Some of the preschoolers in my class at Golden Gate Academy, they scribble and then they use their finger and they said, wow, we can make it look like light cheeks. So you can do this at any age, but if you're older, hopefully you're going to add a lot more shading and shadow, and yours will look a lot more advanced. So you can do this at any age, go in with your own level, and keep going into details. If you're at a more advanced level, you can add more details to your hair, to your face. You can look in the mirror and really fine-tune it here for your self-portrait so it looks more realistic, like Leonardo da Vinci's photorealism. The more time you spend on it, the better it'll get. See? And then after the neck, remember you want to do a little bit of your shirt. So this is your self-portrait. You can tell us a little bit about yourself. Like I like white tigers and roses. You can put something on your shirt if you want, design. You get to decide. Now, if you are done, whenever you get done, don't forget to sign your name on it. Real artists sign their name on the bottom. And if you want to stop right there, you can stop the video. If you would like to, we're going to add some watercolor now. Some paints. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video so you can get water. Water for watercolor.